everyone. So in this video, we will talk about how to revise a GT. This is a very big challenge that lot of student faces. Please remember, GT is your mirror and you all have to see the mirror. If you want to get ready for a party and you want to look good, it's a good idea to see yourself, how you're looking yourself before going out of your house, so that if there is a challenge, you can improve on it and look better in your party. So GT is a mirror that you can see once you're still inside your house, and if there is a challenge, you can work on it. Now you have written a GT. So the ideal way is write a GT in the morning time and use that entire day to revise the GT. In the GT, the most important aspect that you have to pay attention to is the question that you did wrong from the topics that you have already covered. There are four kinds of topics in the GT. You have read the topic and you did it correct. You have not read the topic and you did it wrong. You have guessed the answer and you did it correct. And you have read the topic but you did it wrong. The most important aspect to review is the topic that you did wrong from what you have read, and also the topic that you have guessed and you did it correct. So the most important part is to look at these two things, that one, that you did wrong from the topics that you have already covered, and you did right but you guessed it. This is the most useful aspect of the app that is available. If you're writing a GT on an app and you have an option of guessing the answer, please, whichever answer that you have guessed, you have to review it, irrespective whether it is right or wrong. And you also have to review those incorrect questions specifically from the topics that you have already covered. Don't bother too much about those questions. Those are from topics that you have not yet covered. Ignore them, but definitely focus on those topics that you have covered and still you did wrong. So you will be able to revise your GT in one day in the given amount of time that you have. Try to write the GT in the morning hour, 9 to 12:30. Take a break, and from 1:30 to whatever time it goes till the evening, try to revise the GT in that much time. I found it to be very useful, and I'm sure it is going to help you all in your exam. May God bless you all.